Okay everybody, welcome back. It's Albert Lebel. I got another challenge locking device, something really cool. This one here is by Jason Carlson, and it's called Larry, simply because he sent me three of them, and he named them Larry, Moe, and Curly. That's right. So this is the first one of that set of three that I'll be trying out. I have not tried this one yet, so this will be new to all of us at the same time. And I do want to give a shout out real quick. I guess I'll show it afterwards, but I've been maybe you can see it from there. No, you can't. I'll show it after. I've been telling people, if you're watching my videos, obviously you're supporting me just by watching. If you don't see your name on this on the backsplash, the backdrop, let me know and I'll add it. The Mad Hatter just let me know, and I just added the Mad Hatter, so I will show that in a bit here. So let's get to what we're here for. Let's pick a lock. I will use my Sparrows. I call these my this one my master key for these Schleg type keyways, because they work just so damn good. At least for me they do. And I'm going to try to use, if it'll fit. That fits pretty, that fits nice and tight. Actually, yeah, that'll work. Okay, and I'm going to drop my little shotgun dude in the bottom here. For those of you that may not know, that's really just the very, very bottom of a Schleg key. You just basically butcher a key to death until you have just that bottom piece, and you slide it in the bottom, and basically it just keeps your pick from constantly dropping down into the gutter there. So let's see if we can't get this sucker open here. Alright, get a feel for it. Oh, you know what? I am jumping the gun. We've got the key right here. There's the bitting on it. Works like a brand new lock. Beautiful. Okay, now let's try this. Drop that dude in the bottom. And I do have the microphone right above this lock again. I'm hoping that's picking up really nice. Okay, now get a feel for it. We already got number one's binding right off the bat, I can tell. So let's see if we can. Well, I think it was. You know what? Let me go counter. Yeah, okay, yep. Big time. Yeah, got a lot out of number one. I can't even talk today. 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oof, I think that was more out of one unless I overset it. 2, 3, 4. We just went into a nice false set already. 5. Let me start back at the front again, as that worked. 1 feels set. Not sure about 2. Oh. Bada boom, bada bing. Alright, so we got that sucker. Alright, we'll take that all day long. Get the little toothpick out of the bottom, if I can. Okay, let's get backed out a little bit. Now, maybe back here, where to go? Right here. Mad Hatter, got you covered, brother. Right here. Alright, so yeah, like I said, if obviously you're supporting me just by watching, so you know, of course I like the thumbs up in the comments, but let me know if you don't see your name back here. Let me know, I'll add it. You know, it's just my way of showing a little bit of love back to the community, so let me know. Okay, stop blabbering now, get this thing out of the vise. Oh, okay, let's go down over here. Now, what we're going to be using for the month of October, for those of you that don't know yet, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Okay, so for this whole month, myself and many others, thanks to Bobby Keys for making this stuff, we're going to be using this pink stuff to show our love for Breast Cancer Awareness Month for this entire month. So thank you, Bobby Keys, for making this stuff. I highly appreciate it. And while it's not for me to tell Bobby Keys' story, I know he is personally affected by it. Like I said, that's his story to tell. But I can say, I'd bet $1 to a donut that every one of us are infected in some way, shape, or form by cancer, whether it be breast cancer or some other type of cancer. I recently lost a very young niece to cancer. So, you know, cancer freaking sucks. So, yeah. So we're going to use this pink stuff to show a little bit of love. So, let me get this going here. Okay. We're very much open. Get the back off this bad boy. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Very cool, fun lock, Jason. Very cool. Alright. Bada boom, bada bing. We got a key. And we'll try to use a shim because it is a challenge lock. If it'll fit. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know. It's pretty darn tight. I can't even spin it around in there. Yeah, that's not working out too good. Alright, we got it somewhat. And I also got, thanks to Bobby Keys, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna use, he sent me all this stuff, this pink the kick holders and the Euro cylinder holder and some followers also. So that'll be a first for me using this plastic followers here. So let's hope for the best. Alright, worked like a charm. Alrighty, 5 pins. Looks like they all needed picking. Let's get them laid out on this beautiful new pinning tray. But yeah, like I said, I mean, we are all, whether it be breast cancer or some sort of cancer, I think we are all either directly or indirectly affected by it. Cancer freaking sucks. Yeah, it sucks, man. Okay, losing track here. Thinking about cancer, it really sucks. Pisses me off a little bit. Because we don't have a freaking cure for it. You know, we can go have lunch on the moon and shit, but we can't cure cancer. It kind of chaps my hide. Get some specs on here so I can see. Okay, so in the core we've got threading in 1, 3, 4, and 5. And I don't think there's anything done to number 2. There's sort of a ring there, but it's not undercut, so I don't know. I'll let y'all decide. It's not. And those, as far as those being threaded, they're very fine, almost like an undersized tap maybe. I'm not sure, but either way it worked pretty damn cool, so very nice, very nice. Okay, going upstairs. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. Oof. Oh my goodness, that's a long sucker. Oh, recycle key pin, that's alright. Nicely, looks like triple serrated. Little spring, you know what, I'll put the springs down there so we can see them real good. 2, another serrated, number 2. And number 3, another one of them long recycle key pins with some, that's some pretty neat looking work. We'll get a close-up on these as always. Let me just get them laid out, I guess. I was thinking about this whole cancer thing, and my niece was young, man. Way too young for that shit. Now this one, okay, that's how it was in there. That would almost give you a bigger shear line almost with that rounded part being on top, but that's fine either way. When they're rounded off on the top like that, it lets the oh, it's coming out. The was coming out. There it goes. Anyways, it lets it turn a little bit easier. That was 4, so we need 1 more. Another recycled key pin with some really cool shape to it, like different. All right, last spring. And see if there's anything upstairs. It doesn't look like he took that off, unless he's really good at taking them off and getting them back on. Nope, no mods upstairs that I can tell. Okay, let's get a close-up on these pins. Oops, where's the key? Let's go. Oh, come on. Alrighty. That again was Larry of Larry, Moe and Curly from Jason Carlson. I'm going to bring the camera down as good as I can. I'm in a bad spot here. Son of a gun. There we go. Okay. Now, key pins. We've got standard, okay, all standard. That was easy. Drivers, we've got this cool almost triple spooled, really, because those are wide serrations. I'd call that triple spooled, man. Number 2, triple serrated. 3 is this, again, I'd call that a spooled T-pin. 4 is this double spooled, but see, it's rounded right here, so like I said, that would make it easier to pick, really, having it rounded on this end. And number 5, I'd call that triple spooled, because those are pretty darn wide for serrations. So we'll call it triple spooled. And then all the springs are standard. I think they're, what, copper or brass, whatever they make them out of. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in. I highly appreciate you. Jason Carlson, thank you for the lock. Bobby Keys, thank you so much for making all that stuff for myself and everybody else that got one. I will use it proudly for the month of October. And once again, I want to tell you guys, if you're watching my videos, obviously you're supporting me by watching. If you don't see your name on this backsplash back here, like the Mad Hatter didn't see his, let me know. I will add you promptly and proudly. Okay, that's what we got, y'all. Thank you so much again. That's it. Big Al signing out.